Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically assign roles in Discord. Find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and find your server. Click on it and go to the top left, click on your server name, then go ahead over to server settings. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and find the people tab in the left panel and click on roles. Now go ahead and add in your role. Okay, if you don't know how to create a new role, just click on create right here. As you can see, we have these two. Now, as you can see here, I already have CarlBot. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to install CarlBot real quick. So go ahead over to your favorite browser and type down carl.gg. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead and log in with your Discord account, just like so. All right, wait for it to load. Click on allow right here and scroll all the way down and click on authorize. All right, click on close right here. Now return to the browser as it says here. Now go ahead and select the specific server that you wanted CarlBot to join. For example, this one right here. Now once that's done, go ahead and go back to your Discord app. Go to the top left again. Click on server settings. Now find again roles. Find CarlBot, click on edit. Now under permissions, make sure that CarlBot right here can view channels, manage channels, and most especially manage roles. Enable it, okay? And then once that's done, click on escape. Now go back to the browser. And here, go to the left panel and click on roles, okay? And then just click on auto roles. Now in here, click on auto roles drop down and select the role that you wanted to be automatically assigned. So for example, this one right here is a baby. Click on it, click on save. And then once that's done, you are good to go. All right. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to automatically assign roles in Discord. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.